How to delete Facebook account. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial. So if this video helps you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started. So what you want to do is go to the menu in the bottom right corner and then go to the settings icon in the top right corner, right over here. Once you are here, you can already see at the top the Meta Accounts Center. That is where you actually want to click on. And then this will pop up over here. And you just want to scroll a little bit down until you see personal details right over here. That is where you want to click on, and you can already see at the bottom account ownership and control. Now, if you click on there, here you can see memorialization or deactivation or deletion. And you want to click on the second one, and then here you want to select your Facebook account if you have other accounts connected, because then you only need to connect click your Facebook account. And then here you can choose to deactivate or delete your account. Now, deleting your account is permanent. So when you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve your content or information you have shared on Facebook. And deactivating is that you deactivate your account for a certain amount of time. So it's basically deleted, but you can log in anytime when you want to in order to retrieve it. So if you just want to take a break, you want to deactivate it. If you really want to delete it, you want to click on delete account over here. So then click on continue. Here it says deleting your Facebook account will also delete these pages that are connected. And here you have to choose a reason. So for example, this one, and then click on continue and get more out of Facebook. Click on continue. And then here it once again asks you if you want to keep on using Messenger, then you actually need to deactivate your Facebook account as well. If you don't care about Messenger, then you can delete it. Here you can save your posts in your archive if you would like to, download your Facebook information, and even transfer your information. And if you have done all that or you don't care about that, you can click on continue. And here you have to enter your password, and once you've done that, your account will be deleted. So I hope this video helped you out. This is how to delete Facebook account. And if it was helpful, then please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.